Subject-Verb Agreement. Rule 1. Singular subjects take singular verbs. Example: the cat is sleeping. A snake sheds its skin. The clock ticks steadily. An idea forms in my mind. The cat sleeps peacefully. The dog barks at strangers. The cyclist pedals downhill. A breeze rustles the leaves. A breeze cools the warm day. A squirrel nibbles on a nut. The sun sets in the evening. The mechanic repairs the car. The musician plays the piano. The musician plays the piano. The actor performs in a play. An owl hoots in the darkness. A squirrel climbs up the tree. The astronaut floats in space. The sunflower follows the sun. The chef cooks a gourmet meal. The actor memorizes his lines. A cloud floats across the sky. A cloud floats across the sky. A flower blooms in the garden. The musician plays the guitar. The actress performs on stage. The baby laughs uncontrollably. She dances gracefully on stage. The gardener prunes the bushes. The bee pollinates the flowers. The bee pollinates the flowers. The gardener waters the plants. A butterfly lays eggs on a leaf. The scientist analyzes the data. The gardener plants new flowers. A fish swims in the clear water. The baby crawls across the room. A tornado forms in the distance. A tornado forms in the distance. A wave crashes against the rocks. A bird chirps outside the window. A fish swims against the current. A river flows through the forest. A tornado swirls in the distance. A wave crashes against the shore. The wind howls through the night. The detective solves the mystery. The detective solves the mystery. A spider weaves an intricate web. A rainbow emerges after the rain. He writes poetry in his free time. The athlete trains hard every day. The moon appears in the night sky. The sun sets behind the mountains. A wave crashes on the sandy beach. The teacher inspires her students. The librarian organizes the books. The athlete jumps over the hurdle. A snake slithers through the grass. The teacher motivates her students. The pilot flies the plane smoothly. The astronaut explores outer space. The astronaut explores outer space. The cyclist rides through the park. The chef prepares a delicious meal. The police officer directs traffic. A spider spins a web in the corner. The speaker addresses the audience. The lawyer argues the case in court. The speaker captivates the audience. A storm disrupts the peaceful night. Storm disrupts the peaceful night. My friend speaks multiple languages. The wind whispers through the trees. The librarian recommends good books. The photographer captures the moment. The cyclist pedals up the steep hill. The journalist reports breaking news. The mechanic fixes the broken engine. The sunflower blooms in the sunlight. The author writes intriguing stories. The author pens a best-selling novel. The journalist investigates a scandal. The teacher explains concepts clearly. The chef experiments with new recipes. The lawyer presents evidence in court. The lawyer presents evidence in court. The scientist discovers a new species. The athlete sprints to the finish line. A squirrel gathers nuts for the winter. The doctor examines patients carefully. The car drives smoothly on the highway. The detective interrogates the suspect. A butterfly flutters among the flowers. A snowflake falls gently to the ground. A snowflake falls gently to the ground. The artist sketches a detailed portrait. The artist paints a beautiful landscape. An avalanche descends down the mountain. The lawyer argues passionately in court. The musician composes a beautiful melody. A tornado destroys everything in its path. The student answers the question correctly. A snake slithers silently through the grass. The cashier handles transactions efficiently. The scientist conducts experiments in the lab. The captain navigates the ship through rough waters. The firefighter rescues people from a burning building.